We haven't done a playing with your food episode in a while, and some of the best episodes I've done are playing with your food episodes. You guys love this. So let's get into it right now. Flavored water. I tried to get all the flavored waters I could find in the store so we could look at each one. Here's what we're looking for. How much sugar, okay? Calories, if there's calories, most of them don't have calories, flavored water. But how much sugar, and if there's no sugar, what's the sweetener they're using? Okay, is it aspartame? Is it Splenda? Or is it stevia? Okay, or stevia, whatever. Talk about aspartame first. Aspartame is in Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, causes joint pain. It's not good, causes growths in mice, in the testing, all that. They still use aspartame, but I know people firsthand that had major joint problems. They stopped drinking the diet beverage of their choice and it went away, like within 3 days. No more pain. So there are some harsh effects with that, even though a lot of drinks still use it. There's Splenda. There's no side effects yet known from Splenda. To me, it tastes more like sugar than any out of all the three top ones they use. But there's a bleaching process with the sugar molecule. They take the sugar molecule and they bleach away half of it. So it's processed, okay? And it's number one in the nation. And then there's stevia, which is Truvia, its plant name is stevia. So like Splenda is sucralose in chemical form. Well, Truvia that you buy at the store, that's from stevia from the plant. And that's all natural. No side effects, no nothing. A lot of people who don't want processed sweetener whatsoever, even if Splenda's safe, they don't like that bleaching process. They go with stevia. So those are the three sweeteners they're using on the market right now. I don't think anybody's using Equal in their drinks, or what's the other one? Sweet and Low is like long gone. It's still around. Those are still around at the restaurants, but I don't touch them at all. So let's start at this end. Yes, that's right. Monster Beverage now has a Mean Green Hydro drink. Then we have Vitamin Water Zero right there. We're looking at Propel. Then we're looking at Zika, I think at Zyco or Zico. I've never heard anybody say the name, so I don't know. But this is coconut water. This one's really becoming popular fast. Sparkling Ice. And this has carbonation. So this is carbonated. This one is the generic Walmart version called Clear America Ice. And this is also, is this sparkling? Yeah. This also is carbonated. And this is a bigger version of the Clear America water. Vita Coco, pure coconut water. That's a popular brand. And I don't even know what this is. I believe this is water. It's called Neuro. You guys drinking this? I found it on the shelf, so I just grabbed it. This is tangerine citrus, but it doesn't say whether it's a water or not. Ingredients. The first ingredient is reversed osmosis water. So I grabbed it. Let's talk Monster Hydro. So I used to drink energy drinks. You guys remember what happened? That's right. I had a stroke off energy drinks. I was drinking a Rockstar a day, and every so often I'd pound a 5-hour energy drink. The ER doctor who took care of me when I had a stroke, it was on Father's Day, I believe. And I was in Las Vegas. I was still living in California, and half my body, it was gone. I couldn't move it. I couldn't touch my nose to save my life. So thank the Lord, everything rewired in my brain, because your body's that amazing that it can do that. And I got my function back. I was unable to do that. I could still barely do it normally, like this. I couldn't do that. That was because there is an ingredient, and I didn't know if it was in here or not. Oh, there's taurine and guarana plant. Taurine and guarana are the two ingredients that are addictive. The ER doctor says they're the cousin of methamphetamine. And he literally got a stroke victim off of energy drinks one a week. One a week would come into his ER room, and it was because of energy drinks. Nobody tells you this. I will continue to tell people the rest of my life. I've never touched one since. There are good energy drink brands out there. They have to be completely caffeine based. The ER doctor says you can drink pots of coffee all day long, you're going to be fine. But when you start messing with this taurine and I think it's guarana is on the regular Monster beverage. It's in Red Bull. It's in Rockstar. It's in 5 Hour Energy and a lot of other ones. The ones that just do, I know the Kickstart by Mountain Dew. That one's strictly caffeine. That's what Jack Jr. drinks. He won't touch energy drinks either because he was there when everything went bad. This has 23 grams of sugar. Okay, 23 grams of sugar. Where's my phone? Let's find out how much sugar that is. How many grams of sugar are in a teaspoon?
According to MSU Extension, Michigan State University, 4 grams of sugar is equal to 1 teaspoon.
This has almost 6 teaspoons of sugar. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how much sugar's in here. Moving on to Vitamin Water Zero, we are looking at 0 sugar, 0 calories. Oh, wow, this is good to know. Stevia. They're using stevia in this. That's all I see in here. So there you go. This is great, guys. Nothing. No calories, no sugar, and stevia plant. We're going to put the good ones over here. All right, Propel. Any of you drinking Propel? Is it any good? I've had it once. It's from the Gatorade company. 0 calories, awesome. Sugar-free, awesome. Let's see. What are they using for sweetener? Sucralose, which is Splenda, and that's it, right there. So I'm going to put this over on the good side because sucralose still has no known side effects. So we're going to put this over here. All right, so looking at Zico, it is non-GMO, verified. It's not from concentrate. It has 19 grams of sugar. There's your sweetener right there. 19 grams. That's 5 teaspoons roughly of sugar and 90 calories and 110 sodium. What was the sodium on these? 0. That probably was 0 too. 110 milligrams of sodium. We're going to put it over here. Sparkling ice. I'm going to be open to you guys. This is my drink of choice right here. Sparkling ice. It does 0 sugar, 0 calories, vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin B3, 12, and 5. It is just flavored water, but it's carbonated. And I don't like this one here. This is a coconut pineapple. I have the, over here, my favorite all time is the black raspberry. But we're not going to put them in this episode. I just wanted to tell you that was my favorite flavor. And they use, I believe, sucralose. Yeah, there it is. Sucralose is in here, which is Splenda. We're going to put this over here. So this is completely clean. Put it over here. Let's do this one. This is the Walmart brand. It's like ripping off. You know how Walmart likes to put it side by side? This is the rip off of this. So if you look at Clear America, this is the black raspberry one also. Has 0 sugar, 0 calories. Almost identical. Yep, sucralose. Ooh, they have green tea in it too. That's cool. Distributed by Walmart stores. All right, so this is the Walmart brand, Clear America Ice. It's equal to this, probably, I would say 30% less in cost. You could do a taste test to try out which one you like best. So here's the thing. So this has, right, it's all good to drink. I'm going to put it over here. But then I saw the big bottle of Clear America. I thought, wow, this is a big one, right? This is the cherry limeade, but there's no coloring to it. And then I looked. Here's the kicker. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, but this has aspartame. Does not use sucralose. What? Why? Walmart, why would you do that? Why would you pass off be careful. If you're drinking this because it doesn't have aspartame, you go to the bigger one, it's got aspartame. So the bigger bottles like this, I'm putting over here, the clear water ones, the clear colored ones, are no good because it has aspartame in it. And this is my opinion. You guys drink whatever you want. I just want to give you my input. Here we go. Vita Coco. Not from concentrate also. And this has 11 grams of sugar. That's about almost 3 teaspoons of sugar in here. 45 calories. So that's a lot of sugar still. Let's see, this is better than this one. This is 500 milliliters. What is this? Oh no, they're the same amount in here. This one is 11 grams of sugar. This one is 19. This has more sugar than the Vita Coco. The next one, Neuro Daily. It has 1,000 IU of vegetarian vitamin D. I don't even know what vegetarian vitamin D is. That's the first time I've ever heard that term. It's vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free, of course. There's no milk in it. Aloe vera inner leaf gel. Oof, this has got to taste nasty. I'll bet you anything. Let's see. 9 grams of sugar, 35 calories. So this has about 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. And this is 430 milliliters. So you could try this if you want. I got to try it. Hold on. I'm just going to open it right now. I'm dying to know. This is like such a unique brand. No smell to it. It smells clean, like cleaning solution. Here we go. Yeah, pretty good. I won't drink it because it has sugar in it. I just don't drink sugar beverages anymore. But everything else looks good on this. Oh, it's even got Akaya and Pomegranate. This is for you people who are, this seems pretty all natural. So once again, the sparkling ice is my favorite. But I'm going to say the only one in the bunch that has stevia in it is the Vitamin Water Zero. And this is the squeezed lemonade one. So I'm going to name you the winner in my kitchen. What do you guys drink? What is your flavored water of choice? Which one of these have you been drinking? Have you tried? And did you know that this had aspartame when this has sucralose? Crazy, huh? Well, there you go, guys. Another Playing With Your Food episode. I have an ice cream one coming up. I don't even know how I'm going to do that. I don't even know what we're going to look at, but I'm going to bring ice creams in, and we're going to look at ice creams on the next Playing With Your Food, but that's going to be in a few weeks. So hang in there. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.